petition. I now need to give you either a mention date for directions or those directions right now.
My Lord, the respondent can be given time to respond to the petition.
Yes.
And then after their response, we can be given 14 days to file further affidavit.
For highlighting, then I'll give you only up until the date for highlighting. Mr. Wetshe, you confirm?
Yes, Your Lordship, I do confirm. I'm agreeable to that.
That it required prerequisites, the awards of 100,000 each, and in general damages, and 100,000 exemplary damages for violation of constitutional rights as awarded above shall be borne by the state and not by the second and third respondents individually. The above quantum of damages shall attract interest at court rates from the date of judgment until payment in full. Costs of this suit shall be borne by the respondents. Dated, signed, and delivered on this 30th day of April 2025. At just small spelling. So please check on Monday for this. So court reads, and so 2025, allowing the petition, awarding each petitioner 100,000 as general damages each, and a similar amount as exemplary damages to be borne by the state and not the second and third respondents individually.
And it's not the limitations do what?
Costs awarded as against the respondents. So thank you very much, Counsel.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Your Lordship.
So we got to the final matter.
Petition E519 of 2024, Civil Society Defense, and David Caleb Otieno and Anava by mistake in Pablo.
5.1 and 5.2 of the 5th schedule to the Public Benefits Act 2013 are unconstitutional, null and void for violating Articles 36(3)A and B, 47 and 27(4) of the Constitution, and in consequence thereof, no public benefits organization that was previously registered under the repealed Non-Governmental Organizations Coordination Act shall be required to apply afresh for registration under the PBO Act to be recognized as a public benefit organization. An order of mandamus be and is hereby issued directing the second respondent, the Public Benefits Organizations Regulatory Authority, to automatically and unreservedly transition and register as PBOs all organizations that were, as of the commencement date of the PBO Act, registered and under the Non-Governmental Organizations Coordination Act, repealed. 3. A declaration be and is hereby issued that Section 32 of the PBO Act 2013 is unconstitutional for violating Article 31 of the Constitution to the extent that Section 32 compels PBOs to disclose personal information of their members, donors, or beneficiaries or other private affairs without sufficient safeguards or justification, and it is thus invalid. 4. A declaration be and is hereby issued that the Board of the Public Benefits Organizations Regulatory Authority, as currently constituted under Section 35(1) of the Act, is unconstitutional. 5. A declaration be and is hereby issued that Sections 50, subsection 1, Section 50, subsection 5, and Section 50, subsection 6C of the Act and Constitution for violating Articles 50, 160, 172, and 230, clause 4A. Then I particularize those.
Yes.
Okay.
So with your permission, Council, because it's quite a lengthy determinative, and I'm really struggling with this cough, as you can hear, and since these are drawn directly from it, I think you know what the rest of it is. I'll just say that each party to bear its own costs.